So good morning guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm on the beautiful island of Lanzarote. Me, Christine and the family are over for a wedding. So as normal I took advantage, brought my camera and I'm going to try to do a few photos. I bought a set of binoculars last night and I went for a walk with him and I seen some turnstones just here in front of me. There's a beautiful volcano type rock down here with loads of pools in it. So my plan is to try to get the turnstones and try to get a few reflections of them if I can. So come along, let's take a step into nature and see what we get. So this is the destination for our shoot today. Just down here. You can see a few turnstones maybe, probably not with the camera. But I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna try to get through images and hopefully get a few reflection shots. So there's something special about shooting away. It's 8:10. The light that we have here, like, be super. If I was at home at 8:10, I'd be waiting for the rain to stop or for the clouds to lift. I'd be shooting on ISO 6400. Like, this is amazing, absolutely beautiful. I'm actually going to put this away now for a second because I'm walking on the rocks in case I break my neck or my camera, and my camera is more important. The sun is starting to get harsh and I have a small little white bird there. I think it's a sanderling, I'm not 100% sure, I'll Google it when I get home. But so I've messed with my exposure just trying to get the images, but I'm getting nice reflection shots again, beautiful greens in the pools. So hopefully they're good. If they are, we'll post them anyway. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. As I said to you, I bought a pair of binoculars and I just wanted to cattle egg grit had just landed. I'll finish my end of video in 2 minutes. So I was just doing an end of video and a cattle egg grit just landed here 30-40 feet from me, so I got interrupted, but now he's after flying across the way there. He's 100 feet across me, so I'm going to go after him and see can I get another bit of video and a few photos. So stick with me and we'll do this end of video in a while. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Had a very interesting morning. The turnstone is a real busy bird, and I think the cattle egg grit just coming in there for the last minute has really made my day. It's pure typical of a white bird coming in and the sun actually started to peer out. So I was trying to adjust my settings, but these are the things you learn as you're going on. Tomorrow we're going to a place called Ranchero, and there's lynx and a white tiger there, so I'm actually looking forward to getting photos of them. I was here in January and you've got some nice views of them. They're not enclosed in cages, they're more in heights, so you have viewpoints where you can take photos without cages. So I'm actually looking forward to that. If I do get any pictures, I'll probably post them. We'll see. It'll be unusual to be doing a video for the turnstone and putting a lynx and a white tiger in it, but I'm sure that's what photography is. You shoot what's in front of you. So once again lads, I'll talk to you later and thanks for watching. Bye now.